What's going on, guys? My name is Zach and welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Weightlifting Simulator, of course Roblox as usual. And guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to slam that like and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, guys. And let's go ahead and hop in the video. So guys, let's go ahead and see Weightlifting Simulator. If it's a good simulator or bad. It has 2K on likes and 10K likes. Not bad likes, not bad likes. And only 600 or something for how much people are playing this game. But it's not even that much either way. 69, bro. 69 people playing the game. Sorry, bro. 15. Why do you only have 51? Is it that boring? Loading. Come on, dude. Come on. Finally, bro. A life of lifting up. Eyes. Nintendo Studios, maybe they waste their time on this. Finally. Alright, hey Bacon Man. What's up? Nothing, I'm just a Bacon Man, just chilling. Just chilling, being a bacon, you know how to do it. Alright, good bacon life. Let's trade. Signing the bond store. Robux? Is everything Robux? Wow. Okay. 20. Oh. Can I walk? I can't walk. Alright, so can I lift this? What's this? 22 strength. Which rank am I? Then let me do this to show you. So my strength is really the same as here. My prestige is 0. My player is 6 over 25. And so that's it. And yeah. I'm gonna keep on doing this. How do I go to rank 2? Is it prestige 2? Confused. Let's see the leaderboard. Top 5 the exercises. Alright. What events? Oh god, this is bad. Why did I enter the event already? What even is the event, dude? Do we fire or what? Do we party here? Oh god! Ah! Die! No! No! I'm not dying today! Die! By the way, guys, is he in my pockets? No! I'll introduce to him next video. Or maybe this video. Should I go get him? I think I should. Yep, I should. Let me just... Does it only work in treasure hunts? I only use auto clicker. Alright, how do I auto click? Oh god. Don't know how to auto click. Well, I'll go just get him. Yeah, I'll go introduce to him tomorrow. He's somewhere that I need to get. But guys, I'm gonna link every single friend of mine in a linked in the description. Maybe not only Roblox, so it's gonna be my friend Zaid, my friend Fred, and my friend IB. Those three will be linked down in the description down below. And shout out to Victor for being in this. THS. Alright. It's gonna create. What is. Wait, I can use this? How much strength? 66 strength, boy! Get it, come on. What do you mean THS? I meant to say with the L without H. He wants me to record, Tom Brown here. Oh, what the? Big man's going hard. Sensor. Kill me. Sensor. Kill me. I'm dying from all big commands that are censored. Run away! Run away! Why do I always get recorded? Run away! Run away! Run away! Run away! 3 videos that ago I added it. What do you mean, bro? What is this? Wait, use this? Sure. Wait, see. Alright, we're chilling with this. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. There's another one. I can stop. What is that? It's really a gay pass. Alright, 40 minutes. Alright, how much does this give you? 42 strength. Alright, that's not this. And now I'll be here. Peace out, pony long. Let's get out. What is this? An elevator. I want to go to number 3. Peace out. Peace. Psh. Oh, we're number 3 already. Well, there's an elevator in every single one. Let's go to number 2 this time. Number 2. Bouncer VIP. Oh. VIP. Oh, okay, then there's that. Main lobby. Oh wait, what? Basement? What is this basement? If this is that. If this is that. But what is this? Hey, just a show. Alright guys, I think I'll end it off here. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to slam that like and don't forget to subscribe if you I will catch you guys next time. Tomorrow I'll bring Zach, that's his name. And link in the description all my friends' channels. Catch you guys next time. Peace.